Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Thank you, everyone. Today I want to share a small story from my life. It happened a few years ago, but I still remember it clearly. At that time, I was working in a new office. Everything was new for me. The people, the place, the language, everything. I felt lost. I did not understand English. I could not speak it. I felt scared to talk. I was very quiet in the office. I did not ask questions. I did not join any conversation. I thought people would laugh at me. I thought I was not smart. I wanted to learn English, but I did not know how. I felt very lonely. I sometimes sat in the corner and cried in silence. I prayed for help. One day, I found a way. It was reading aloud. I started to read simple English stories loudly. I chose easy words. I spoke slowly. I listened to myself. I repeated the sentences again and again. I was alone, but I was learning. I felt like someone was helping me, my own voice. Every day, I read aloud for 10 to 15 minutes. I wrote down new words. I made small sentences. I said them out loud. I looked in the mirror and practiced. Sometimes I forgot the words. Sometimes I said them wrong. But I never stopped. Reading aloud became my best teacher. Week by week, I became more confident. I started to speak more. I started to understand more. I could reply to simple questions. I could write small emails. I felt proud of myself. My boss also noticed my change. He said, "You are improving." I smiled with joy. Now, I can speak English in my meetings. I can greet customers. I can send emails without fear. I still make mistakes, but I keep learning. I feel strong now. I feel happy. Reading aloud changed my life. It made me believe in myself. I will never forget this story. It is a story of courage, practice, and hope.